too long. I'm almost feeling I should move on with you gone, yeah. I've been alright, I made a new song when I stayed up all night, alright. It's been a long time, thinking that it's been too long. I'm almost feeling I should move on with you gone, yeah. I've been alright, I made a new song when there's nothing left, alright. And it's hard to keep believing in this. Please believe that your name is on this list of the people I miss. I mean that you're one of the people that makes me quite able to maintain with the evil, a beautiful painting hanging an easel. Now it's hard to keep believing in this. Please believe that I'm looking out for you everywhere that I go. Through the changing the seasons, days and the evenings are fading and leaving. They're changing the rain and the snow. But no, it's hard to fight the evils in life. Sometimes they're creeping at night. Sometimes they even can be seen in the light. I even start believing demons are right. Grief and fiend for the light, but the fact you're breathing gives you reason to fight. Alright, all night I'm lying thinking of you. Start to sink in the blues. I'm on the brink and so I drink with the moon. And soon I'll sink and sleep with the sun. That's the same one you see when you wake up. Please wake up. And soon I'll sink and sleep with the sun. You'll skip, leap and you'll run. I'm just waiting for the right day, the right moment when the stars are in the right place. And if I see you then I might say, it's been a long time, thinking that it's been too long.